Hi friends, I'm back with another new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show how to edit neon circle, red and blue lightning CB photo editing tutorial. It is very simple and attractive. I hope you learn this tutorial easily. Just follow my video so you can also edit your images amazingly like you seen in thumbnail. Now let's check in video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart and select the background directly. I will use the CB background link in the description. You can go and download there. Friends, this is the background I am going to use now. First of all, you have to select the model image directly. Okay, in this position you have to select yours. Remember that. By going to add photo, you can see you have to add your model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use now. Now I am going to do some adjustments so it will help in cut out the model image. Okay friends, now tap on tick. Now after this you have to go to cutout and zoom in this pic and draw the outline of the model. Okay, like I am doing, simply follow the video. Okay, now tap on this arrow. You can see there are some I have to fill, so it will take time. I will do in fast forward mode. Okay, friends, it is the how it look like after the cutting our model. Okay, after this you have to arrange your model image like this. Okay, arrange it, and now we have to tap on tick. After this I have to directly go to draw and go to brush and make the size to full and decrease opacity like this and decrease this hardness to 1 and tap on this zoom multi and select the black color and draw on the bottom portion, make it darker. Okay, like this. Okay, make it darker. Now tap on tick. Now after this you have to go to draw and you have to take the empty layer, it's already taken, make it empty layer to the overlay and tap on this brush and select this one, done, and go to this ink pill and select this color. Okay, you can see the color is changing. Now zoom in and draw like this. No need to draw here. Okay, like this you have to draw. Now again select ink pill and take it to this color. Now again draw this side. You can see like this. Done. Finally, our neon circle CB photo editing is ready. You can see it is how amazing and beautiful. You can also edit your images like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video and download the background CB neon circle pic, and I will give link in the description. You can go and download it. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. If you like my teaching, please consider subscribe and share to your friends. Now go to draw and save your image. If you want the notification whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe and tap the bell icon. See you next video.